how websites work. By the end of this room, you'll know how websites are created and will be introduced to some basic security issues. When you visit a website, your browser, like Safari or Chrome, makes a request to a web server asking for information about the page you visited, you are visiting. It will respond with data that your browser uses to show you the page. A web server is just a dedicated computer somewhere else in the world that handles your request. And here we have a diagram. We have our PC. We are using this laptop, and on the right side we have the server. And we are just entering in a browser. For instance, we just go in Chrome and we make a request. That request goes to the internet. From the internet goes to the server. Then the server gives a response based on our request, goes again to the internet. Internet goes, let's say, resends that request, that response back to our browser. There are two major components that make up a website: front end, back end. Front end is the client side, what we see, the way your browser renders a website. And the back end is the server side, a server that processes your request and returns a response. There are many other processes involved in your browser making a request to a web server, but for now, you just need to understand that you make a request to a server and it responds with data your browser uses to render information to you. Answer the questions below. What term best describes the component of a web application rendered by your browser? Oh, okay, it's front end. I see. It's front end. Yeah, I don't know, it just got weird.